Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best miter saws for trim work that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Hoteke Miter Saw 8 1/4 inch table saw. This miter saw is perfect for those who want a compact and lightweight option for occasional home projects. With its 11-amp copper motor, it delivers a solid 5,000 RPM, making it versatile for trim work, cabinetry, and furniture-making projects. It also features a bevel range for angled cuts, adding to its flexibility. Plus, it comes with a rich set of accessories, including a TCT saw blade, dust bag, and extension bars, which are great for added convenience. In terms of design, the Hoteke miter saw is compact and weighs only 16 pounds. Making it one of the lightest options on our list. The satin powder coating on its surface adds a sleek look, while its aluminum build ensures durability. However, its smaller blade size of 8 1/4 inches might limit its cutting capacity compared to larger saws. While the precision is good for smaller tasks, professionals may find it lacking for heavy-duty applications. The Hoteke's affordability and ease of use make it a great tool for beginner DIYers or anyone working on light-duty projects. However, the lack of pricing information and fewer user reviews compared to other models on this list might leave some potential buyers hesitant. If you're looking for a basic, lightweight, and portable miter saw for smaller tasks, this one could be worth considering. Coming in at number 4 is the Metabo HPT 10-inch compound miter saw. At just $119, this is the budget-friendly option that delivers impressive value for its price. It's powered by a 15-amp motor that achieves a no-load speed of 5,000 RPM, ensuring smooth and precise cuts. The large table provides excellent material support, while the thumb-actuated positive stops make miter adjustments quick and easy. Its lightweight design, at just 24.2 pounds, makes it highly portable, so it's perfect for job sites or quick transport. When it comes to design, the Metabo HPT is compact yet sturdy. Despite its affordability, it doesn't skimp on build quality, and the included safety features, such as the vice clamping system, make it a reliable choice for both DIYers and professionals. The 0 to 52-degree miter angle range and 0 to 45-degree bevel range offer versatility for a variety of trim and woodworking projects, though as a single bevel saw, it lacks the tilt flexibility of dual bevel models. While it may not have the premium features of more expensive models, the Metabo HPT is an excellent entry-level saw for anyone looking to tackle trim work without breaking the bank. Its 5-year warranty adds peace of mind, making it a risk-free investment for occasional users. However, if you're a professional seeking advanced features, you might want to look at higher-priced options on this list. At number 3, we have the Evolution Power Tools R185 SMS Plus Sliding Miter Saw. This saw stands out for its innovative multi-material cutting technology, allowing it to cut through wood, steel, aluminum, and even wood with embedded nails. The included premium tungsten carbide tipped TCT blade ensures clean cuts with minimal sparks or burrs when working with metal. With a bevel range of 0 to 45 degrees and a wide miter range of 50 degrees both left and right, this saw offers excellent flexibility for a variety of angles. The design is robust with a powerful 1,500-watt motor optimized for extended blade life. It includes convenient features like a laser cutting guide for enhanced accuracy, a carry handle for portability, and a dust collection bag to keep your workspace clean. However, at 48 inches in length, it's bulkier than other options, which might make it less convenient for smaller spaces or frequent transport. The Evolution R185 SMS Plus is ideal for professionals and advanced DIYers who need a versatile miter saw capable of cutting multiple materials. While it's slightly pricier than entry-level models, its capability to handle diverse materials makes it a great all-in-one solution. On the downside, it's not the best option if you only need a saw for wood-specific projects, as its premium features might be overkill for single-material applications. In second place is the DEWALT 12-inch miter saw, DWS 715. a staple in the woodworking world. This saw boasts a powerful 15-amp motor with a 4,500 RPM speed, making it perfect for heavy-duty trim work. The 12-inch blade size provides a large cutting capacity, and the stainless steel miter detent plate with 14 positive stops ensures precision and repeatability. With its tall sliding fence, this saw can support up to 5 1/4 inches of base molding vertically, making it a great choice for trim carpenters. The build quality is excellent, as expected from DEWALT. At 42.8 pounds, it's heavier than other options, but this added weight contributes to its stability during operation. The bevel range of 0 to 48 degrees to the left and 0 to 3 degrees to the right offers versatility for a wide range of cuts, while the included carbide-tipped blade ensures clean and precise results. However, the single bevel design means it lacks the convenience of dual bevel adjustments. The DWS 715 is a fantastic choice for professionals and serious DIYers who need a reliable and precise miter saw for larger projects. Its price is justified by its performance and build quality. However, its weight and lack of dual bevel functionality may be drawbacks for those seeking portability and convenience. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the DEWALT 20V Max 7 1/4 inch cordless miter saw, DCS 361B. This premium cordless model combines portability, precision, and convenience, making it the ultimate choice for trim work. Its integrated cut line cross-cut positioning system offers adjustment-free cut line indication, ensuring unmatched accuracy. The compact and lightweight design, weighing only 30 pounds, makes it easy to transport and store, while the 20V battery offers the freedom to work anywhere without the hassle of cords. The DCS 361B features a stainless steel miter detent plate with 11 positive stops, allowing for quick and accurate miter adjustments. The oversized bevel scale ensures that bevel angle adjustments are smooth and precise, while the cam lock miter handle provides quick locking without sacrificing accuracy. Despite its smaller 7 1/4 inch blade, it can handle crown molding up to 3 5/8 inches nested and base molding up to 3 1/2 inches, making it highly versatile for trim projects. This DEWALT cordless miter saw is perfect for professionals who need a high-performance portable solution. While it's the most expensive option on this list, at $347.87, its cordless convenience and advanced features make it worth the investment. The only downside is that the battery is sold separately, which adds to the overall cost. Nevertheless, if you're looking for the best of the best for trim work, the DCS 361B is hard to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.